Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix emails not receiving emails. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When your inbox goes quiet, it's not always a sign of peace. It can mean something's wrong behind the scenes, whether you're waiting for a client update or an important password reset. Not receiving emails can slow everything down. So, in fact, a 20,000 study found the average email deliverability rate across multiple email services providers was uh, 83%, which meant about 16% of all emails never reach their intended recipient's inbox. So, how to fix this issue? It's very simple. The common reason you're not receiving emails is because the spam or junk filters. Email providers automatically flag suspicious message to protect you from scams or phishing attempts. Occasionally they get it wrong and wrote legitimate message to spam. So you can check your spam on your email. Open your email, tap on the three lines over here. You can scroll down. You can go to spam. If you find there's spam on your email, you can delete all the spam from your email. After that, you can also check your inbox storage. If your inbox storage full, so you can delete the unused email. Maybe like this one. You can choose on the email that you no longer need. You can select and you can delete it. After that, you can check to send email to this email to see if your email can back to normal. It's very simple, right? And also you can check on your email Gmail apps on your app store or play store. If there is an option to update, you can update it. You can update your apps. It's very simple, right? So that is how to fix email not receiving emails. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.